RTCC.
So this is the electronics of the Busy box. Let's turn it off. On the underside there's a volume control and an on-off button. So it starts off by singing a song, or making a sound, or doing something while the rest of the software loads up inside.
Is that Adele? Oh, that's Mum.
The chirp means it's ready to go, even though the song.
Oh, it's saying that's rubbish. Get it off.
The songs are varying lengths, so sometimes they overrun the box chirping to start up, sometimes they don't. So these jigsaw pieces are minimum choke size, which is
3.7
37 millimeters
centimeters.
or 1.5 inches, minimum choke size for a child, and they're differing degrees of difficulty. The duck's the easiest. Has the duck gone to the duck pond? What sound does a dog make? And so on. So that's the jigsaw side. And the gear side here just lights up a chasing light display which changes colour as it goes around. And this side has got various buttons. This one is just shows an LED display, chooses at random between a number of different type displays. Don't know if you can see it in the light, but it's reasonably easy to see. This button does animal sounds. That was a bit quite quiet. That's chicken. That's better. This one does odd. This one either does the siren, which is quite loud and piercing, which can be turned on and off. It's off at the moment. If the siren's off, then it does just odd sound snippets.
Hey!
Fan favourite.
Yeah, crowd favourite, yeah. And this one is double function button. If you press it once, it'll play a nursery rhyme.
Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched.
And if you press it longer, it then accesses the favourites list and plays favourite tunes.
When all the cows were sleeping and the sun had
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the way to add a song to your favourites list is to put the key in the lock and turn the lock, and then that song is now added to the favourites list. The favourites list can be deleted via the main menu,
Which is where?
which is
Holding down that one.
which you're holding down this when you turn it, and whilst you turn it on. So those are those buttons. Is there anything else? Anything else, Lloyd? Or is that it?
I wasn't paying attention.
I think that's it.
Look at the
You
compartment.
mentioned the games menu.
Yeah, it's in the compartments. Oh yeah, the games. So holding this one in. Holding that one in for 5 seconds enters the games menu. This is the game menu. When you hear the game that
Play the snap game with slow.
So this is children's games played on the display here between two players.
Play the snap game with standard card turns.
So press yes for that. So this presents cards which are like snap cards, and when two cards are the same, the first player to press, of course, wins the point, which is announced by Jesse and Lloyd.
That was on there before.
It's going to be one after the other.
Oh.
Ooh.
Show them a bad one. Go. Gives you an audio feedback to wrong and right answers. Homer. Might get drowned out by the rain shortly.
Is that right?
Player 1, 1. Player 2, 0.
Yeah.
Player 1, 2. Player 2, 0.
Yeah.
Player 1, 3. Player 2, 0.
And so on. So that's one of the games. There's various games of different complexities that a child should be able to play. And we'll probably add some more in due course. All the sounds can be added to via a SD card in the bottom. Sounds and tracks and instructions can be deleted and renewed and so forth. And that's not too difficult, and the software takes care of selecting randomly from however many songs are in each folder. Goes I.
That says there 1 point.
So this is a video to show just the functional aspects of the BusyBox. Door stop thing, and a key on chain attaches to a magnet there, and a clicky mechanism in and out. And this is a bit tricky, but this is a little secret compartment with a door on and a horn. And on this side, the mechanical aspects are a little trolley wheel and a bicycle bell. That's on that side, and a lock for locking and unlocking. It's also got a switch behind it. Come to in a minute. And on this side are the jigsaw pieces, which we'll cover in a minute, and a spinning wheel.